In today's video, I will walk you through how to find contract address on Coinmarketcap. To find a token contract address on Coinmarketcap, start by selecting the cryptocurrency you want to find. For this example, select the token from the cryptocurrency list. After opening the token page, scroll down until you find the contract section. In the contract section, you will see the available network and the token contract address. Select the network you need. If you are using a different network, click on More to view other available network options. Once you find the correct network, copy the contract address shown in the contract section. You can use this address to add the token manually or import it into your wallet. To add the token to MetaMask, select the option to add the token to MetaMask. If the network needs to be changed, select the required network before continuing. If the automatic option does not work, copy the contract address manually. Go to your wallet and open the Import Tokens section. Paste the token address into the token address field. The token information will be filled in automatically. Select Import Tokens to complete the process. After importing, return to your Assets section and check that the token has been added. You can repeat the same process for any other cryptocurrency. Select the token you want to find, open its page, scroll down to the contract section, and copy the address from the required network. For another token, select the cryptocurrency and locate its contract address in the same section. Copy the address and use it to import the token into your wallet or use it wherever the contract address is required. If you need to find a token contract address for another exchange or wallet, simply copy the address from the contract section and paste it into the required location. This is how you can find any cryptocurrency contract address using Coinmarketcap. Thank you for watching.